Hello students, in this video we will solve this problem. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters, okay, with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Alright, see, this is the rope, okay, this is the ground, and you want to erect this rope, erect this pole, okay, using 3 ropes. Alright, and each rope should make how much angle with the pole? It is with the pole, not with the ground. So 30 degrees will come here or here, here, okay. This is the rope. Alright, now see, each rope should make 30 degrees angle with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Like this, we need 3 ropes. So first let us find the length of one rope and then we'll multiply by 3. We need to find the length of the complete rope, right? Okay. So what else is given? See, height of the pole is 10 meters. So this is 10 meters given. Alright, we need to find the length of one rope and multiply by 3. So we don't know what is this hypotenuse side. So let us name this triangle as A, B and C. Theta is here, angle is here, so this will be the opposite side. This is adjacent side and this one is the hypotenuse side. Okay, here adjacent is given, we need to find hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent and hypotenuse will come in which trigonometric identity, which trigonometric ratio? Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot, right? Old hero and his old acting. This is our trick to remember the formulas, right? We need adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent is given to us, we are finding hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse is in cos as well as in secant. Alright, so we will use either cos or secant, it is up to us. Let us use cos. Okay, cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, what is cos 30? See, I'll write the values here. Sine 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, right? And these are cos 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Cos values will be the reverse, right? See, root 3 by 2 will come here. 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So cos 30 is 1 root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 divided by 2 is equal to adjacent. Adjacent is how much? 10 meters. Divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Let us write AC only. If you cross multiply this, this will be root 3 AC is equal to 2 into 10, 20. Okay. Now if you send this root 3 on the other side, it will become AC is equal to 20 divided by root 3. Alright. See, if you have root values in the denominator, we will rationalize it, right? So let us rationalize this. This is root 3. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator with root 3. So this is 20 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Okay. This is not a final answer. This is the length of only one rope. This AC is 20 root 3 by 3. We need to find the length of 3 ropes because 3 ropes are used to support, right? Okay, now see, length of 3 ropes will be equal to 3 multiplied by length of one rope, right? 20 root 3 divided by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. We'll have 20 multiplied by root 3. Okay, in the textbook this answer is given as 20. You should remember the root 3 value. Root 3 is 1.732. Okay. It is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, but we take 1.732 approximate value. So this is 1.732. Okay. So multiply by 20. We have 20 here, right? Let us multiply. We'll have 4 zeros here. This will be 4, 6, 14, 3. So 34, 64. So this will be 34, 64 and we'll have 0 also here, right? So points. So this will be the answer, 34.640. Let me just check whether this is visible in the camera or not. Yes, 34.640. I hope you understood this problem. See you in the next video.